Hello guys, welcome to the Watch channel. My name is Oliver and today I got another unboxing video. This is a watch that I've been excited about ever since it came out. I've talked about it before and I got it, but I got it in a different color than I initially wanted. So I'm very excited to look at it. I'll get more into why later. Before I get into the video, I want to say first of all I got a new camera. I don't know how to use it, hopefully it looks good. Second thing I want to say is please subscribe to my channel, and I have 99 subscribers. I want to reach 100. I've also planned a giveaway for 100 subscribers. I'm gonna give away some straps, so also be sure to hit the notification bell so you do not miss that video and also my future videos. So let's open up this. I do have my scissors right here. So this box is pretty long, so it's hard to fit. It's hard to fit in the shot. I guess I don't need my scissors. There was the receipts. I just have to get that out of the way. As you can see, we already know from the title, but it's a Christopher Ward watch. And I'm very excited about this. They had a winter sale, which they usually have once a year. They have I guess they have a sale two times a year, but this was the winter sale and I managed to get this for a very good price, and I'm very excited to look at it. I haven't seen it yet, so let's try and slide it out. Oh, it's a wooden box, partially. There's the box. Actually pretty nice, it feels really good. I guess if you slide it up, yeah. So this box is definitely a lot nicer than the last one I had from Christopher Ward. Let's see. There's a lot of things. Okay, so here is a very long, or wide, I guess, booklet. There is a owner's handbook. You already see which watch it is, but you already know it's a C65 super compressor. So there's some information about that, and oops, and here is the watch underneath. Voila! What is this? Is this anything? It's a cloth. That's pretty nice. So here is the watch. Let's try and get it out. I do actually like this packaging. It was a lot better than the older one, although I'm struggling quite a lot to get this out. There we go. Let's get this to the side. So here is the watch, and it's absolutely stunning. I'm not sure about the strap. I thought it looked a little bit different on the pictures. I might have to change that, but look at this dial. I love brown. Generally, I love brown. I want to say why I picked this one instead of the blue one that I said I was going to go get. They both were for sale, but this one was at a bigger sale, and that is because this super compressor text was slightly misaligned on the brown model. I also got the brown because I think it's a color that's a little bit more understated. It's the blue one is very flashy and it's more like a summer's watch. This one still has some nice color to it with the orange, but it's a more like all year watch, I guess. Another thing was that I have a lot of blue watches. I had a lot of blue watches before also, and this is my first brown watch, and I do really like brown, so I'm very happy with my choice of color, and that's why I went with the brown. So this is, as I said, the super compressor C65. It's very cool. I love this vintage inspired look, and Christopher Ward is a brand I really like. I owned, I think, like 4 or 5 watches from them before, and this, I think, so far is my favorite in terms of design, and I'm very excited to wear it. I love the retro look. I love the pop of color. I love the bezel, and I also love the super compressor mechanism, even though I'm not going to use it. You can see the movement. It looks very good. You see the super compressor around the orange. One thing that I'm always very happy with on Christopher Ward watches is the finishing. For the price, it is really good, and this also feels like and looks like it is really good finishing for the money. Let's try and unscrew the crown. Pops out, winds. I also love that there's no date on this watch. I generally don't like dates because I suck at setting the time on my watch. Well, it takes longer to set the time. I don't care about the date. I don't care which date it is. I prefer the cleaner look, and it is easier to, I guess, set it. Here is the bezel. Oh, it sticks really nicely. This is actually really satisfying. Can I take it all the way? No. This is actually this was a lot more satisfying than I thought. Question is, does it line up? Yeah, it does, right? I think so. So, wow, that's all I have to say. This watch is beautiful. I'm obviously going to do a full review on this watch. This is just a unboxing and a first impression. It's a little bigger than I wanted. At like 39 it would be perfect. This is 41. Let's try it on the wrist to see how it wears. This leather strap is quite stiff. Very stiff. Oh my god. I need to change the strap, like ASAP. Oh my, I'm struggling. So one thing, don't buy this strap. I don't like it. It's very stiff. It's probably gonna get a lot better. But this is what it looks like on the wrist at 41 millimeters. My wrist size is, I believe, 17 centimeters. So not the biggest, but it fits pretty nice. Wears nicely. The lug is quite short, so it's no problem for me to wear. It looks bigger on the camera than it is in real life. And yeah, I actually really don't like the strap. The color of it just doesn't match at all. It looked better on the website. I'm pissed. Also love the curve or the domed sapphire. Looks really great. Generally, this watch looks amazing. I love it so far. I just need to change the strap. I can't even get it off. One moment. Here it is. Clasp, as you can see, is also signed. Christopher Ward. And brushed. Other than that, there's a polished bezel, brushed lugs. Side of the case has beveled edge, which is polished. Then it's brushed, and then it's polished again on the underside, and then some polish actually around here on the case back too. The rest is brushed. There's the movement ticking away. Also love the orange on this bezel crown. There's the crown for the time, which is signed. All in all, beautiful watch. I really like, for some reason, the logo, Christopher Ward logo, really works on this watch. I also like the orange on the second minute hand, and also the triangle on the bezel. And not to forget the text, which is, as you can see, misaligned. It's way to the left. I don't think I care, but we'll see how that works out. But I'm very satisfied with this watch, very happy with it so far. I want to look at it for 2 minutes, but it looks great. I'm gonna definitely get a new strap for it, and I'm very excited to start wearing it, and I will come with a review in probably like a week or two, probably a couple of weeks to be honest. But I'm gonna wear it every day for sure. What do you guys think of this watch? Let me know in the comments. I also want to know what you think of Christopher Ward in general. Is it a brand you like? I know it's a brand that some people like, some people don't. For me personally, I think they offer really good value, especially on the sales they have. This was like 40% off, I think, which I think is a really good deal. They also have a 60-day return policy, which is really good. So if you're not happy with your watch, you can send it in for, I think, just about whatever reason. Another small detail I really like is the yellow loom pips here, looms, and are to the 4 o'clock, and then they're white all the way around. I think that's a nice little touch. Generally, just a beautiful watch, isn't it? I'm very excited to wear this and do a full review for you guys. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Just a quick video, you know. Just wanted to show it to you and give you guys my first little impressions. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, like the video, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.